Good afternoon, ma'am. So, in job costing, long first question you see. The following particulars are extracted from the books and other relevant sources on respect of MSA and company. Estimated material cost of job is 50,000 and the direct labor cost is likely to be 10,000. Okay. In machine shop, it will require machining by German machine for 20 hours and Japanese machine for 6 hours. The machine hour rates of German and Japanese machine are 100 and 150 respectively. Nothing but here, in a machine shop, German machine, how many hours it is taking, ma? 20 hours. So 20 into 100 you have to do. Japanese machine, how much it is taking? 6 hours. 6 into 150 you have to do. The direct wages in all other shops last year amounted to rupees 8 lakhs as against 4 lakhs 80,000 factory overheads. So in unit and output costing, we have calculated percentages, nama. Factory expenses divided by wages into 100 we have done the same thing we have to do here. So last year information he has given. What information he has given means direct wages is 8 lakhs and factory expenses 4 lakhs 80,000 he has given. So here first of all here what we have to do, we have to calculate the percentage here. So 4 lakhs 80,000 divided by 8 lakhs into 100 you have to do. Okay, you will be getting a percentage. Okay, after getting the percentage on wages, okay, on wages you have to calculate. Wages is how much ma here? 10,000. On this 10,000 you have to calculate the percentage. Okay. Next, see the E point. Last year factory cost of all jobs amounted to rupees 25 lakhs as against 3 lakhs 75,000 office expenses he has given. So here what he has given ma? Office expenses 3 lakhs 75,000 given. Here also you have to do the percentage. You have to calculate the percentage. How we have to calculate the percentage? We have a formula. Office expenses divided by work cost or factory cost into 100. So office expense is how much here? 3 lakhs 75,000 divided by 25 lakhs into 100 you have to do. You will be getting a percentage. Next, make out a quotation with 20% profit on selling price. What he is saying? Profit on selling, 20% profit on selling price he is saying. So here what we have to do? We have to do the quotation. Nothing but cost sheet. In cost sheet what we have done? Same thing we have to do here. Okay, see here. Materials 50,000, wages 10,000. So total prime cost is how much ma? 60,000. Afterwards factory overhead, Japanese machine 20 hours into 100 rupees. German machine, 20 hours into 100 rupees. Japanese machine 6 into 150. 6 into 150. Okay, 2,000 plus 900, 2,900. Afterwards what he has said? He has given us that last year information he has given. So here we have to find the percentage. How we have to find the percentage? 4 lakhs 80,000 divided by 8 lakhs into 100. After doing, you will be getting a 60%. This 60% you have to calculate on this wages. So 10,000 into 60% means how much? 6,000. So totally 8,900. So 60,000 plus 8,900. Total 68,900. After that, office overhead. Office overhead also what he has said. Previous year information he has given. So office expenses, office expenses divided by office expenses, how much he has given ma? Office expenses he has given 3 lakhs 75,000. 3 lakhs 75,000. Okay, so 3 lakhs 75,000 divided by 25 lakhs into 100 you have to do. Then you will be getting a 15%. So 68,900 on this work cost. On this work cost you have to do the 58%. You will be getting a 10,335. Next, add. Okay, after adding you will be getting cost of production. So finally what he has given? Profit he has given. Profit on selling price he has given. Nothing but on sales he has said. But here we don't have a sales. If profit is 20% means cost of production will be 80%. Why? Because sales at any time sales will be 100% ma. Okay, if profit is 20, automatical cost of production will be how much? 80%. So if for 80% it is 79,235 means for 20% how much? Do the cross multiplication same like the previous question. So you will be getting a 19808.75. Afterwards you have to add to the cost of production and finally the sales value will be 99,043.75. This is a job costing. Okay, this is the first question. Next, see here ma. I will explain the second one. Following information has been extracted from the costing records of J Engineering Works, Hyderabad in respect of job number 50 has given. So material he has given 4,000 directly we have to take, and wages also he has given. Department A 80 hours he has given, rupees 4 per hour he has said. Department B 70 hours 3 per hour. Department C 50 hours 5 rupees per hour he has given. But variable overheads how he has given means department A 8,000 for 8,000 direct labor hours. So here actually department A 80 hours, B 70 hours, C 50 hours, but here variable overheads they have given for 8,000 hours, 2,000 hours and 1,000 hours. Here we have to calculate for 80, 70 and 50 hours in case of variable overheads. Okay, fixed overheads what he has given, 9,000 rupees for 9,000 normal working hours he has given. You are required to calculate the price to be changed so as to give a profit of 20% on selling price he has said. Okay, so what we have to do is here, see ma, wages, materials 4,000, wages 80 hours into 4, department A, B 70 into 3 and department C 50 into 5. Okay, we have to add all these things, 780. Okay, afterwards add variable overheads. So variable overheads what he has said ma, 8,000 rupees for 8,000 hours he has given, but here what is required for 1 hour, first of all you have to calculate for 1 hour. So for 8,000 hours it is 8,000 rupees, means for 1 hour it is how much, so 80. So 1 into 1, sorry, for 8,000 hours it is 8,000 rupees, means for 1 hour how much you will be getting, 1 rupee you will be getting. 1 into department A how many hours ma, 80 hours, so 1 into 80 is how much, 80. Next B what he has said, for 2,000 hours 4,000 rupees they are paying, so for 1 hour how much they have to pay, do the cross multiplication, 2 rupees. 2 into department B how many hours, 70 hours, into 70 you have to do, so 140. Department C what he had given, for 1,000 hours nothing but for 1,000 hours working hours 2,000 they are paying. So for 1,000 hours 2,000 means for 1 hour how much, 2 rupees. 2 into department C how many hours, 50 hours, into 50 you have to do, so how much you got, 100, add, okay, 320. Afterwards fixed what he has, variable means there will be a changes in all departments, fixed means it will be same for all the departments. Okay, variable is different for all the departments, fixed will be same for all departments. So fixed what he has said, 9,000 hours for 9,000 rupees, nothing but they are for 9, if suppose they are working for 9,000 hours means they has to pay the 9,000 rupees. So for 1 hour how much, cross multiplication, 1 rupee. This 1 rupee is for all the departments ma. 1 into 80 hours, 1 into 70 hours, 1 into 50 hours. Okay, add it and finally 200. This amount should be added to this 5,100. Okay, afterwards profit what he has said, 20% on selling price he has said. So same like previous question. Okay, if profit is 20%, then cost of production will be for how much percent ma, 80%. So for 80% you put 5,300, then for 20% it is how much, do the cross multiplication, you will be getting a profit 1325, add it. So finally sales will be 6625. Okay, this is our first question and second question. Okay.